Good morning, guys. Back at it another day. It's your boy Mark. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I am on my way to the shop, my warehouse, AR, the back cave, the dungeon, whatever you want to call it. I picked up my stock F12 wheels. I'm gonna get the F12 and put it back to stock, and I'm gonna sell it. I just don't really see a use for that car. I mean, it's the only exotic I have left. At the end of the day, there's a reason why I never modded it, like modded, like, you know how I mod cars. It's just because the potential for that car was not what I would hope it to be. Like, the most I could do is like a carbon lip kit, single turbo with a slammed whatever, but that's not how I want to build an exotic, especially an F12, especially when there's like a TDF, like a higher model available. Can't get the N Largo kits anymore, and there's no like it's a GT car. It's like a grand touring car, so it's more like comfort stuff. So it's just time to get rid of that car. Don't need it. I'm officially gonna be exoticless, broke boys. But to be honest with you, my R34 and my Supra give me, I think it gives me more joy than what my Huracan did. My Supra does for sure. The R34 is kind of slow right now, but the attention's cool. But the point is, yeah, I'm gonna go get rid of it. But more importantly, I'm getting paint correction done today by obviously JC, the God, on the Model Y. And yeah, and before we paint correct it, I want to put the hood on. So we'll just put the hood on real quick. I know you guys didn't get a chance to see the hood. I want to see what the car looks like with the hood on. This kit is not the best fitting, but it looks way better than stock. So there's obviously going to be some adjustments made as we're doing it. Yeah, I'll see you guys at the shop. Oh fuck! The rear looks good.
The light works?
No.
Oh.
It doesn't?
We didn't wire it up.
Oh. Are you going to, or?
I should.
Yeah.
I don't really want to fuck with it, but look.
What happened?
Putting it back, because this was flexing like crazy. Look, you can even tell the stress cracks.
Yeah.
There's stress cracks here. It's flexing like crazy. It was hard to put it back. So at some point, I'm gonna have to, like, I don't know, do some shit. Like maybe fuck, I don't know. I gotta do some shit at some point. But it looks better than stock. What do you think?
I like it.
It's better than stock.
Yeah.
We're gonna swap the hood. Bye. Yeah, so we just did it's not final yet. Like, it's not tuned, but it looks pretty good underneath.
World's first?
Yeah, world's first.
And TJZ.
Swap. It fits nice in there too. Like
There's still a lot
there's
of room.
so much room to, like,
Yeah.
you can put like a luggage and shit. It looks really good. But I'm gonna wire tuck it still. There's still a lot of, like, I gotta shave but it looks good. It's fast, so. There's the best. This guy's the best. What happened? What happened?
I don't know if Max did it, but this one's stripped.
What?
It's stripped.
Okay. Well, rip it off.
Oh, shit.
Look at the hood. Guys, by the way, I want to take this piece off. I don't think it matches well with the car, in my opinion. It looks cool, but for me, so looking at it like this, you see how the original lip goes up like this? Keeping that style, in my opinion, makes it more EV-ish. Like, it makes it look more electric vehicle with that kind of like a line. I don't know if you guys can tell in the camera, but definitely taking that part off. And then JC's gonna paint correct the whole car, and I gotta clear bar the front end, and then we gotta slam it on LMs. So when the LMs get here. So yeah, just stay tuned. I'll show you guys what it looks like when we're finished. Peace. It looks way better. Now, these holes, we'll figure it out, but it looks way better, I think. Car's paint corrected now, so it looks fucking like a fucking black dick. And obviously JC does fucking amazing work. The car looks exactly how I want it to right now, other than it not being dropped. But fuck is this shit? Tesla paint sucks, but you guys like how I took off this other bullshit on the bottom. So look at this shit. Fucking car looks good now. Just needs to be slammed. Maybe 21s will work. Whatever Uncle Rob says. Sometimes I be rushing into shit and it just doesn't do it. But this car is getting there for me. Looks amazing. So shout outs to JC. He's the best. He is the best. So very happy with the way it came out. Now I'm just gonna clear out the front, wait for the suspension, wait for the wheels. Bada bing, bada boom. Get fucked.